Fake though, 21, because the thing with fake insurance, they can cancel your plate and take your car.
No, it's not. Why would I come up here and tell her some fake ass shit to get her car taken? Y'all slow as hell.
It's real
inbox you 21.
Is it real?
Yes, it is. Do you want me to inbox you the information? Yes. Okay, I will do that.
21, it's an insurance called Cure, too.
The police don't check your insurance, right? They just take your insurance.
Yes, they do.
But how would they check your insurance? Call them? Because they don't know if you paid it.
It's in the system. Yeah, it's in the system, because if you don't pay it, then your insurance get canceled. And if it's fake insurance, it'll also pop up in the system. It won't pop up. Sometimes it pop up right away, and sometimes it take a while. But just say if you get pulled over, they can take your car for fraud insurance.
Okay. Do you have any money I can borrow?
Yeah, I'll cash up you.
Thank you, because I need to get some gas. It's $21 big one.
Okay, I'll do it right now.
Love you.
Hey, 21. Registration is basically based off of when the last time the car was registered. And also is based off of where you brought your car at.
What, my insurance?
Registration.
I need about $500, right?
It depends on where you got the car from.
I got it from a white neighborhood.
But is it in the same state that you live in? Did you buy the car from the same state? Like, is it registered in the same state?
Mm-hmm.
Then it should so like $200, no more than $200.
Somebody said 1,000.
It's not 1,000.
All right. I do have a title. What's in my book bag? Anybody have cash out so I can give me some gas?
I was about to say, if you don't want to, trust nobody insurance, just go up to LA Insurance or any insurance place just to get a quote, just so you can see, around how much you're going to need.
Okay. Listen, y'all. Oh, I want to keep this man plates. I'm going to ask him if when I drop his money off, I'm going to say, can I keep your plates on this car for just one more week? Till I register it. Don't ask him. I don't have no money to get that.
21, I can print you some fake registration for $50.
50?
Give me 50, I got you. Yeah, give me 50. Man,
Is it gonna be real?
Hell yeah.
Alright.
And I can get you a temp tag too.
Alright, I'll do that.
Yep. Why y'all saying?
Hey, 21, no, don't do that. You can go to the currency exchange. When you get the little money, it's like 200 and something. You can go switch your the car over in your name. And I know here in Illinois, you can just tell them like you got it from a family member, so the tax is not gonna be high on it. So you can go to the currency exchange and switch your place over and get all your stuff for probably like $300. And then you can call around. You can call around.
Sandwiches. Order the original.
No currency exchange in Detroit. That's some Chicago
shit. I had plenty of used cars, but I have a car note now. But I'm just telling her what I did, and I ain't never had no problem. And she can call around Detroit, wherever she at, and find the cheapest insurance. Like, it's some cheap insurance out here.
Can you call for me?
On the legal way. And if she get pulled over, then what? Because they do run all that stuff. So then what?
Can somebody call the insurance places?
Look, he told you. You just don't go to jail. He's funny as hell.
That's the risk she pays.
Can somebody start calling the insurance places for me?
They can't call them for you, dumbass. They gotta have a VIN number and all that to know.
Right. and we gotta know what type of car you drive.
Your lazy, stupid ass gotta do it yourself.
I don't want to do all that.
Well, you shouldn't have bought no car.
You don't want that car yet.
I'm about to have one of my supporters get on 3-way and do it. Somebody send me their number.
Well, do that then. But it's some cheap insurance out
You
there.
so damn dumb. Just go to one of them little cheap, like, pay here insurance places. Just get the minimum you need.
Yeah,
I don't have any money.
Yes, you do, bitch. You was just bragging about how you had 90,000 in the bank.
I didn't say I had 90,000 in the bank.
You said some shit like that when you was getting out the what you call it.
21. Did that man give you a bill of sale?
You don't need
So
a bill
did he
of
give
sale.
you a receipt? Did he basically give you a receipt so then you could go and register to get your plates?
No, he gave me a
You don't need
title.
that.
He gave you a title.
All she needs is a title with her with the signature. Him sign. He had to sign the back of it. And
Yeah, with the date.
back of it.
Okay, so what you need to do is you need to go down and you need to register the vehicle under your name. You take that title with your ID, and all you got to do is go to the place and register it.
I don't have no money for that.
Okay, well that's what your supporters can help you with that.
Go down
but you
there
got to
and
see how much it costs for people to help you get it.
Yeah, man.
Oh yeah, I didn't see how much it is. Just send me $500.
Oh, girl.
It shouldn't be that much because mine wasn't even that much. Mine was like 3 something. I got a 2020.
What
You
year is
don't have
that
a big
car?
body Benz.
What year is that car?
2020.
No, it ain't. It's not with that roof on it.
A 2020 would have a parent.
Look
Okay,
at that shit. That shit great.
Okay, for real, 21. For real, let's be serious, okay? Because we really is trying to help you. Okay, so look. You need to go down there and you need to see how much it is to register your vehicle. After you do that, just write it down so you already have how much it's going to be to register your vehicle so that your supporters can help with that. Okay,
Man, that's like a 2005. That shit ain't going to cost nothing.
Okay, hold on, H1C. Hold on, let me finish. Let me finish real quick, H1C, please. Okay, so
yes,
look,
ma'am.
after you do that, you just make sure you write down the price, okay? Now, after you do that, then you can call like insurance. Do like a third-party insurance. Don't go straight to the source, like a Viking insurance, something like that. Look up Vikings insurance.
The general.
It'll
You
be
need the
cheap-ass
general.
insurance. Okay, all you do
What
is give
about
them the
that
VIN number
Geico
and stuff
lizard
like
thing?
that.
What about the Geico?
You can't afford that.
No, Geico's gonna be more money. That's why you need to go through a third party so then it won't be as much.
General.
General is fine too, but those places are like third-party places, so you need to go through a third-party place so it's a little cheaper for you. And then you sit there, they're gonna ask you all your information. You tell them all your information. Just let them know if any tickets that you done had in the last 5 years. If you haven't had none, that's even better. Okay, shit like that is what they're gonna ask you. After that, they're gonna tell you how much it is. Write it down, and then you'll have how much your registration is and how much your insurance is going to be. And then your supporters can help you, but they're not going to just send you money because they don't even know, you don't know how much anything is.
Do you have $25?
Yeah, 21. I'll send you it. What, for gas?
It's for my gas. It's $21 big one. It's the same one you sent to before. I just changed the name. And I need $25 or even $50 for gas.
Okay, I'll start with $25 so you can get there. But listen, do what I just said. That is the smart way. Don't get no goddamn false tag. Because, girl, if you get pulled over with that false tag, you will get a ticket. And if it's an asshole, then you're going to go to jail.
Wait, hold on. Wait. Don't you got insurance, girl?
Yes, I do.
I think you can add me to yours.
Why the fuck would I do that?
Because it's something called where you can add people onto your insurance.
Yes, I know I can. Anybody can add anybody to their insurance. But why the fuck would I do that, crazy ass woman? When your ass all the way in Detroit, I'm all the way in goddamn Atlanta, and you drive like a goddamn crazy ass man.
No, I don't.
You gonna make my insurance go up?
No, I'm not. I'm not even gonna do nothing.
Ooh, no ma'am, no ma'am, no ma'am, no Sam, okay?
What are my supporters can add me to theirs?
I have more than enough energy.
They sure can. Which supporter gonna take this bullet? Raise your hand.
I don't think no supporter's gonna take that. They're gonna definitely help you get right.
Shit, I guarantee somebody gonna do it. Somebody in the inbox right now like, I'll do it, 21. You can join on my insurance. Somebody in the inbox right now. What you talking about?
21, I'm here to help. You already got my number, but I'm about to put my number in your inbox again, so make sure you call me. If you need help, I'm on lunch right now for another 20 minutes. I can help you call insurance people because you know goddamn well I don't care about none of that extra trying to tell people shit on the app. So if you want my help, call me within 20 minutes and I can help you real quick. Call the insurance people and we can get you to see how much it's going to be for your insurance. The other place, you're going to have to go down to the DMV and do it yourself because they're going to have you in person doing it.
Yes! Everybody send me money. Thank you.
It's so stupid. Okay, I'm getting down, 21. I'm about to put my number in there. It's going to be under strangers.
All right, and put your money in my inbox. You don't need to buy
21, did you buy a big enough car for all your kids to fit in?
Yes, it is big enough.
They can fall sit in here.
They can sit on each other's lap. It's cool. Okay.
Shut your ass up. They don't have to sit in each other's lap.
Trolling ass. 21. You need to get off and call either me or somebody else so they can help you at least do the insurance part. So you don't get pulled over and get an insurance ticket.
Raise your hand if y'all gonna let her go on your insurance.
Then you gonna get your license back taken.
I'm about to call y'all so y'all can do my insurance on 3-way. It's gonna be the $50 one.
Okay, I'm about to put my number in there.
You need to go to the general, 21.
I am going to the general, but I'm gonna call the Geico place first because I always see him on TV. That's gonna be the best bet for me.
You saw 22. You got a bad driving record?
Nope, I only had my license for 1 month, and they took it when I first got it.
Damn, why they took it?
Because I was going 90 miles an hour.
In a what?
In the freeway.
In a 30?
I don't know, I was in the freeway.
No, you wasn't.
Yes, I was in the freeway.
You was going through a school zone. Stop lying.
No, I wasn't. I was on the freeway. I was going on the freeway driving.
They wouldn't take your license for that.
They did. I just got it back. I was in Flint selling water. Remember? I took all my seats out of the car.
I remember you used to drive to Flint, get the water for free, and come back and sell it. Well, I heard the story.
Yes.
And Sada baby lazy ass wouldn't help your stupid ass.
And the police pulled me over.
I remember. You used to have a boatload of water in your motherfucking car that you just took from the people that actually needed it.
I lived in Flint.
Yep. Oh.
And the white people was taking all of our water, not even giving it to us. They was throwing it inside of abandoned schools. Who got any money I could borrow? Do anybody got cash? I need gas money.
21. I called, what's the place? LA Insurance. I don't know. They won't give me no information because you got to get them an event number and all of that. But they said that.
I already told y'all.
Tell their ass they don't need a VIN number.
Yes, they do. They said
they do need the VIN number so they can look up the car. They gotta see what kind of car.
You don't even gotta go in.
Tell them to look me up my motherfucking name. I don't got time for that shit they playing.
It ain't the VIN number. It's for the car, you dumbass.
They have to
gotta
give
know
you
what kind of car it is.
a right quote, girl.
They need to see that it's a Kia Fortnite like what Eb got, 2003. With the door broke off on the back, all of that.
They need to. I'm not a drunk yet. I can't drink.
Do you want me to call them on the freeway now? Because I know you ain't gonna get your VIN number out on the live.
Right. And we busy right now. We collecting funds.
Oh yeah, I need some money. I need money to get my insurance.
We gotta get money.
Okay, but she still need to know how much she fucking need.
Don't cuss at me,
motherfucker. Why you down
there talking your bullshit? Somebody said
I'm her manager. I'm trying to help.
You ain't helping saying all that bullshit.
Manager, didn't they say
your
somebody
said $50?
Your motherfucking dumb ass talking about some bullshit, bitch, and what you saying? Not a damn dollar.
How you know what I said? You all in my pocket.
Shit.
He did.
You ain't saying shit.
How much you said? How
Did
much
you
you
send
sent?
anything, 21?
How much you sent?
I sent 20.
I'm her manager. She's supposed to be paying me. Dumbass.
You didn't send me nothing, boss bitch.
I'm about to right now.
Lying ass. Right. Get your ass down and send that money. Send your tax money.
So y'all send money because I don't want my car to get took. I need to go to LA insurance.
Right. Y'all send some money, man. The car gonna get towed.
I don't want my car took. I'm gonna be sleeping in my car. They gonna swoop it up.
Period.
I'm gonna be sleeping in the trunk. I'm sleeping in the trunk in the back there.
Hey, 21.
Yeah, I don't have no hotel money. Hey, Miss Debbie.
Hey, beautiful. Hey, May.
Hey, H1C. Boy, get down. Come down here to these comments.
Stop flirting with her.
Yeah, but 21, I came up to tell you that Denise, that's Denise's page. She had to get a new phone, but she on a new page.
Miss Denise
that sounds like a scam.
Miss Denise had 30 people come through and tell me. Miss Evie done told me. People called my phone, text.
How they all got access to her? How they know it's true?
Because
That's her.
Miss Denise, you should have my. Oh, you lost your phone. I'm about to say you should have my cell phone.
Yeah, she got a new phone.
How did you lose your phone? I lost mine last night.
You know she older. She got like a little Android, a little LG Android from Metro PCS.
H1C, get down. Get down.
Sorry.
Miss Debbie, do you have $1?
I do. I'm gonna send it to you.
Thank you. I'm gonna suck your dick.
All right, 21.
Can you send 5?
She always send me 20.
We need it.
She always send me 20.
21. When you gonna come school me? You driving down to Atlanta?
Yeah, I'm about to make a trip down to Atlanta. I'm about to come down here, and then I gotta go to Miami. I gotta get $1,000 before I make a road trip. I'm taking a road trip.
You going to Miami to meet up with that tranny with HIV?
Don't talk about my nigga.
Sorry.
Dang, why you talking about my nigga?
I'm sorry. I ain't mean to do that.
I can't make a stop to the dentist. It's $7,000. That's my neck piece.
Damn, your teeth fucked up.
My 2 teeth is a bridge, bitch. They have to do a whole new root canal.
You need $7,000 to fix your grill?
Yes, if I want them to give me porcelain teeth, or they're gonna give me fake teeth again.
You gotta start brushing your teeth, 21. The left.
I got in a car accident, you bitch. In a motorcycle accident and flew off a motorcycle.
You ain't been in no motorcycle accident,
yes,
girl.
Yes, I did get in a motorcycle accident. My daddy brought me a motorcycle.
A moped or a motorcycle?
A motorcycle. When I flew off the moped, that's when my leg got broke. I flew off the motorcycle, went in the air, almost 30 feet down the street in the snow. I literally slid down this.
And all you broke was your teeth?
I went head first, yes. In the snow.
At least the snow was there. Probably caught you a little bit.
I was on the cement and it was snow outside, and actually it was ice. And I went head first. I'm not lying. My daddy brought me a motorcycle. He didn't buy me no helmet. And it wasn't just my teeth. My whole face was messed up. Why y'all laughing?
Yeah, why y'all laughing at that? That's not funny.
I could have died.
You could have died, yeah. They laughing.
And I got in a car accident and went through the windshield. I was in a whole conversion van with no seats in the back. I was sitting on top of a fucking paint jar, and I literally went straight through the fucking windshield and landed on the cement. Yes, my daddy.
Why you was in the back of a raper van?
Because my daddy was a paint and construction man.
Oh, you was helping them paint?
No, he was dropping me off.
All right, that's enough story time. All right, y'all, we need some money. Come on.
I didn't see how much money I got.
Okay, good.
I'm only at 95, manager.
Damn. That's it. You
need to be working.
Okay, let's try this again. Okay, demand the money. Let's try the Trina B method. Demand it right now.
Bitch, send me your motherfucking money. All your money you got. This is a motherfucking stick up. 21 BIGONE. Send me all you got, nigga.
All of it. All right. Let's check it in like 3 minutes and let's see if that worked.
I'm looking at the top of the screen while I'm rolling my blunt to see if any coming through.
Okay, let's roll the blunt in the car.
Thank you.
That's a good way to. That's a good way to.
Look at my sunroof.
Is that how you Christian the car? You know how like people sage their house? You smoke the blunt in the car to like get all the bad.
I'm about to hang my head out the sunroof.
Great idea. That's gonna get the money coming. Do that. Where the sunroof at? I don't see a sunroof. There's a hole in the top.
No, they didn't put one in. I gotta get one installed.
Oh, they forgot the sunroof.
I gotta get one installed.
They forgot it. They said they forgot it.
They didn't forget shit, bitch. I'm installing one, getting my car custom made, and I'm getting it painted pink.
You know, I do custom car work, 21. I can put you a sunroof in there.
Oh, thank you.
All I need you to do is go to Harbor Freight and buy a saw. Mm-hmm. Okay? A saw, and I need a steak knife. Mm-hmm. And we're going to get that motherfucker cracking. Mm-hmm.
Oh, my God. Wait till you get a sunroof in my car. I know. I'm about to go take her nigga. You thought you had my nigga,
right.
bitch.
Lo definitely jealous, because you remember Lo was renting them Teslas with all the rest of his money. Mm-hmm. And now
he went down there to go get my nigga and eat my nigga pussy. Mm-hmm. But I'm on the way. I got me a car, bitch. Whoa!
Right. He's sucking your nigga titties, trying to get your nigga pregnant.
And eat my nigga top and bottom.
Eating his top and bottom.
Yeah.
In the
be
pool.
Embarrassed. I'm getting my
in
nigga.
The pool.
They was in the pool together. I couldn't stand them. It was like they taking a big ass bath together.
Asses.
Taking a bath with a
crazy.
girl.
Yeah. Imagine trying to get in a jacuzzi and there's two trannies right there sitting there with bikinis on and shit. Everybody trying to sit in that. You gotta get in the jacuzzi after two trannies and made love in the pool. Like ain't nobody trying to do that. They should have been kicked out. Yeah, y'all stop spamming them free gifts.
Breon texted me and said I wasn't fucking in no pool.
Yes, he was. Stop lying, Breon.
He mad he was.
You wasn't on your testosterone that day, and you was in there with your clit dick getting fucked on.
Breon said I wasn't in no pool at all.
Can y'all stop spamming them free gifts? The people are trying to type in the room.
I need money, Eddie.
Okay. Y'all, we need some more money, please. We trying to get insurance. We trying to get registration. Gas. A little weed, crack.
I need to have gas, but I need insurance too, because they're going to swoop my car up.
If the whole room was in $5, it'd be at $5. So
it's $1.21 big one. You can even send $1. I need it.
Hey man, stop spamming them free gifts for us. Shit I know, but y'all don't get. Damn, free shit.
My life, nigga.
Oh, sorry. Okay, spam the free gift. She don't care. She don't give a damn. I tried y'all. She don't care about y'all. See, this is why I ain't getting no gifts. I've been getting no money because you letting them spam these free gifts.
They need to focus on sending money and not in the comments.
Kick Tamika. 42. They saying kick somebody. But okay, anyway, swipe y'all comments over.
Anybody send me money, I'm about to go like it.
Maybe let these two people up in the box. Maybe they a question about sending you some money.
This a drunk.
This is drunk.
Yeah, not.
Hey, drunk.
Damn, why you calling me a drunk? I don't even know you.
That's Miss Pam off of Martin. Thank you for my $5. Big cup.
Oh, she got a nice mile. How you doing, lady?
21, I was going to tell you, though, as far as your tag, you got 30 days after you purchase a car, because I don't work nothing but dealerships.
You got 30 days. You know, being you didn't buy it for a dealership, you would already had your insurance. The
do you still work at a dealership?
Huh?
Do you still work at a dealership?
Yeah, I work at BMW.
Can you some temp tags, maybe for like 90 days?
I mean, I'm in Atlanta. She's in Detroit. I'll give it to her.
You can mail it. What the fuck you mean? Mail it?
No, I can't.
Just give me the temporary tag number and I can write it on my car.
Mm-hmm. My girlfriend who works the drive time could. I'll ask her if she could get you one.
Okay. Anybody have any cash?
Do have 30.
Put your girlfriend at risk.
Not girlfriend like that. I mean friend, honey. Friend.
You at work? You at work right now?
No, I'm at home right now. Yeah, I'm going to work. My car in the shop right now, so I can't go to work.
You drive a BMW?
No. I don't work there anymore either. I'm just being a smart ass because you being one. But I did work there.
Y'all my smoke
I was just trying to let her know that Liberty Mutual is good if you're looking for cheap insurance.
Yeah, do you have any money so I can get this insurance stuff?
Huh?
Yeah, she confused.
Do you have any money so I can get my insurance?
I didn't know she was talking to me in the comments.
I'm asking you, do you have $1?
I told you my car in the shop. I don't know how much I'm going to have to pay to one.
You don't have $1?
That a yes or no?
I gotta see what the damage is gonna be when they call me back and tell me how much it's
so
going.
Is that a yes or a no?
What the fuck you think it is?
I think it's a yes.
I think it's a no. Until I what my damage is. I just want to say that.
Got insurance herself. 21, she got to pay for her.
You have insurance, nigga. HNIC.
No nigga, I'm white.
Don't do me.
Don't call me no nigga. I'm white. Stop calling me nigga.
Okay, well, white boy.
I got privilege. I got privilege. Like you.
How this lady did my bit, y'all.
That's what I wanted to tell you.
Yeah, let's see your nails.
She did them all. You see how thick it is under there?
What the fuck is that?
I can't get down. I'm trying to get down. It won't even give me the
Click your face. Click your face and hit the hang up button.
That's what I'm doing, and the hang up button ain't coming up.
I broke my nails. This acrylic on my nails. It's not. That's not
that's all I want to tell you, honey.
You got in a fight?
Yeah, yesterday I got into 2 fights. You ain't seen me?
I wasn't really on here last
night. Me, Detroit Thigh, and Ben Cash went out last night. I was out having a good time. We had just got to the casino. Ben Cash, nigga, pulled up, broke his car window, and was trying to fight all of us. And then the police came. We got kicked out of every Motor City casino in the world for the rest of our lives. We could never go to a Motor City casino. Skin our ID, we go to jail. And then while we went to another bar afterwards. One of our supporters came and fist fought me, a man. We went to a gay bar yesterday. One of our supporters pulled up and fist fought me.
How he your supporter if he fought you?
He's not a supporter or follower. We got 2 fights yesterday. Yeah, I won that fight. Y'all see me? Sweet, yeah, I beat that
was on camera? Y'all seen it?
Yeah, we was live.
Anybody else seen that fight?
He ain't knocked me. Only reason I fell on the floor was because they pushed me back. Only reason I fell on the floor was because they pushed me back.
They said you got knocked on the floor, you ran.
The only reason I got knocked on the floor was because they had pushed me back after I punched his ass.
Every time you fight, you get knocked in your shit.
I didn't get knocked. Security beat me. They all jumped in my fight. Like Detroit Thigh, Tyler, all of them got in the middle and they was pushing me back and then I fell on the floor. I got up, but then Tyler Bansom, whatever his name is.
Oh my God, you was hanging out with him too?
Yes, and Ben Cash.
You love people with HIV.
He don't prep. He don't do HIV. He don't prep.
I heard he had that shit.
He don't prep. Little fat boy, you prep like the prep.
What you say, ma'am?
You acting like the police. Asking all these goddamn questions, you little fat fuck.
Bitch, I can ask some questions.
Shut the fuck up, fat fucker. Go
Smart
fuck
sister.
yourself in the ass, bitch.
Damn, you rude as hell. Why she so rude to me?
I think she say you're a fat bitch.
All right, let's check. I ain't fat.
Hey, I just sent you $22, but where your eyelash at?
Oh, it came off the other day. I gotta get it fixed.
Oh, you is missing one.
You gotta take that other one off then. That just look crazy.
No, that's a new style. Just wear one. It look good.
Let me check my cash feed.
You know how Nelly used to wear like the tape, the Band-Aid on one of his eye? Yeah.
Yeah, with no fucking tape on his eye, nigga. Nelly wore a Band-Aid on his
That forehead is atrocious, though.
Oh, shut up. I'm at $106. What the hell?
That's good. It's going up. Right? It went up.
I'm never gonna get no insurance at this rate.
She lied, though. She lied. She said she sent 22. The last
She didn't send 22. I knew she did. It didn't come to the top of the screen. Thank you.
21.
Yes.
I'm trying to figure out when you gonna go back home and start doing you.
I'm almost at my Billy B's. I'm almost at my Billy B's, girl. Thank you for my
Be quiet, 21. She trying to tell you something. Damn.
But you know what? I got you. I like you, and I'm gonna send you some money, okay? But I'm just
what was
you
you trying
need
to
to
say?
go and get yourself together, 21. You is so much more. You don't. I don't know.
I'm doing it. What are you talking about? What do you think I've been doing?
You need to hurry the fuck up.
You don't tell nobody.
Move faster.
Hurry the fuck up.
All right,
we need to get Demi back in your life.
Soon. You need to get it to fuck together.
Okay,
I'm
ma'am.
gonna send you some money.
Thank you.
Okay.
Send it to the right one. No picture of me on there. It got a J, a yellow J. It's no picture.
I got you.
Jenny 21 big one. Why
Listen, y'all.
telling me to hurry up? I'm trying to get gas and insurance for my car so I can work. I'm trying to work in my car. I can't work and make money. I can't get my shit together if I don't have nobody helping me.
I will send you $100 if you promise me you won't take your stupid ass to a left.
I'm trying to get my license, my birth certificate.
You want to see that stupid ass?
Promise her.
Yes,
You
ma'am.
want to see that stupid ass man? Because if you go, I'm going to find your ass and I'm going to beat your ass.
Ma'am, he not in Atlanta. I'm not going there.
You already said that.
I said I'm going to go to Pittsburgh.
21.
Get myself together.
Matter of fact, cat eyes, look me up. Send me your information. I'll pay for the insurance.
Ooh.
Look you up.
Yeah, she gonna look you up. What's that?
But if your ass around here, I will hurt your ass.
Ma'am, okay, I understand.
Done with it.
My cash app.
No, I'm not sending shit to no cash app. I'll do the insurance.
No, I'm not doing my insurance. How you gonna do my insurance?
How you gonna do that? Yeah.
If I'm not gonna do your insurance, you ain't getting my money to do what you want to do with.
Grandma.
Girl, I had to drop her. She don't even know she's screaming too much. That bitch mad at what?
21, stop. She gonna see you.
She mad at me? What?
Yeah, I feel like the lady. I will get you a house, and I'll put the house in my name. You can have the house, but I'm not sending no cash out. But I'll get the house, but whatever you want.
That's a good deal. Wait, where the house gonna be at? Where's she gonna buy the house at? I think you should buy the house in like North Dakota. 21 can't get in trouble out there.
Can y'all send me cash up for my insurance?
21. Why don't you take all that money you sitting on and just go ahead and buy a house?
I don't have any money.
She don't. She spent it all at the vending machine at the crazy house.
Y'all crazy that y'all think that girl ain't sitting on no money.
Girl, hush. It'd be crazy.
Hi, I'm Mr. Meeskies.
Huh? Hello?
I'm Mr. Meeskies.
I'm sorry to hear that.
What is that on your head?
I don't know.
That shit bogus. That shit bogus as hell, ain't it, Mr.
Like a doodle stain.
Oh, he talking about that gas.
Shut your fat ass up, nigga. Don't laugh at now Nemo nigga that come my box talking shit, fat ass bitch, or you get dropped.
Okay, I ain't gonna laugh no more. Please, don't do it.
No stitches in my head that didn't get took out, and it's a scar now.
Right, it's a scar, man. Y'all chill out, man. That ain't Dookie. Can you let Smokey up?
Grandma said she was for you to inbox her, or she'll give you her number, and you just call the insurance company, and you put her on 3-way, and then she'll pay for your insurance.
She just trying to get my information, and I'm gonna get her credit card information and buy me extra stuff.
Yeah, that's what you do. Yeah, that's exactly what you do. You go ahead and do that. And watch where your ass is gonna be.
I'm gonna buy me a tiny house.
Have a good day.
Right. Again, the second time.
Shut up, bitch.
How much that pussy is, baby? I want back.
$20 or $500 to pay my insurance.
Yeah. You got some good pussy, baby?
I don't know. I think so.
Shit, I'm talking about some of that shit. You got the best, baby.
Give you a deal.
Shit, how much the deal, baby?
Your house off.
Yeah, your pussy a coupon?
I didn't make no coupons yet, but it's verbal coupon.
You know how some places got like, if you buy it 10 times, you get it for free. You should scratch off like a little punch ticket.
Hey, can I see Hush? I wanted to ask you. You was for Low to save that pussy for you. What you gonna do with it? Cause you said you gonna eat it. What you gonna do with it? I just wanna know what you gonna do with it.
Good look, yes, freaky 21.
What I'm gonna do with my nigga pussy? You said what I'm gonna do with my nigga pussy? You said what I'm gonna do with my nigga pussy?
What you gonna do with your nigga pussy? That shit sound crazy. But what you gonna do with it?
I'm gonna take care of it.
I'm saying you said it's for you, but you don't want the pussy. So what you gonna do with it?
Oh, no. He have to put a strap on it. So I don't want her eating my man coochie and wearing it out. It's gonna be sore and stuff.
Oh, you mean where disappear?
Yeah, he gotta have a strap on it. It can't be sore. If his coochie too sore and blew out, then how is he gonna have his strap wrapping against it?
Does the strap go in his coochie too?
No, it's a one-way strap, not a two-way strap.
Oh.
It goes in my coochie. He tied around the waist.
Do it go on him like some underwear or something, and then the strap part just sticking out?
Yeah, you ever been rock climbing? And they put that little thing.
I was just, cause you kind of described it one time, so I'm just trying to, you know. Rock climbing, like some rock climbing shit.
No, they put this little carny thing over your booty, and it's like a little strap. A dick.
Okay, so do they get a feeling from it too?
Yeah, because when you ever fucked a teddy bear, it like humped it, and you came.
What?
Okay, so if you ever dry humped your nigga.
Yeah.
Okay, you came. So that's sort of like that. He dry humping the strap.
Oh, okay.
You nutted a little bit.
Dry humping the strap.
Okay.
He really dry humping my ass because the strap is inside of me.
But that feels real good to you.
Yeah, the strap feel good. Feels like real good.
that better than real.
I do love when the tool talk. But the strap is different. The same. It depends on if they get the plastic one or the ceramic one.
What? Wow. Yeah, girl. Well, shit deep like that. Ooh. What you got, Ace? How long you got?
I got like 2.5.
No, you don't. You got about good 6 inches. I know you do. You gotta pull it all the way out.
Gemini, you want some of this too?
I want some. If you got 8 inches, 6 to 8 inches, I'll take.
If I lose
my finger longer than 2 inches.
If I lose 50 pounds, I'm gonna be 4 inches.
Oh, daddy.
Give me some time. I'm gonna double inside. Give me about 2 months.
I know when you get hard, it's gonna be a distance 8 inches.
21, why they keep calling me grandma? Don't let them talk about me like that.
You know, look like Pam with my.
I know, I got that all through school. All through school. Anyway. Why y'all
They say
grandma?
They say y'all kind of favorite. They say y'all kind of favorite.
I'm 16. I'm not nobody grandma.
You got any kids?
I just let my daughter's 15.
Oh. Why y'all always gotta say what age coming next so we don't know the next age? You can't be 15 going on nothing else.
16 this year.
No, I didn't have any money. My insurance is getting. Oh my gosh, I'm not getting.
Right.
Insurance.
Hold on. We gotta get. Tell them to send some money, Gemini. Go.
No.
What you mean, no?
Oh, okay. Send some money. I'll some money right motherfucking now. Send her some money.
Right. She said no. What the fuck?
They already talk about me. You just gonna make me.
Look at that car seat. 21. Look at that car seat. Let me sit.
Anyway.
Head rest.
Hold on, gotta get my lighter. I lost my lighter.
Background on too, but I
don't know background on. I'm not sitting right here.
Right, we own this car. We don't need no background.
Congratulations on your car. I'm proud of you, girl. I thought you were lying again. Hey, shouldn't I see? How you know me?
How do I know you? I don't know you.
I'm drunk when I came over.
You were drunk for real?
No, she didn't. She just said that's Gemini.
No, the fuck she
call me a
did. She
drunk?
said that's. You called her drunk.
You called me a drunk 21?
Yeah.
But she must have been right. You talking about how she know you?
Oh, well. So me and her be drunk together.
What you drink? 2 11s?
My lighter, y'all.
That ain't even out no more.
Somebody said I need to be in a gym. 21, do I need to be in a gym?
Yeah. Real fast.
I'll get a membership today.
So, Richie, you ready? You ready? You in Atlanta?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I got my lighter.
Yep, you in on.
Damn.
All right, we can go.
Let's go. Work out. I'm gonna get on the booty thing.
Don't Planet Fitness give away pizza on Monday. I'm gonna just go to get pizza.
They give away pizza?
Yes, skipping label.
Do anybody have any cash app I could borrow? $sign to a big one with another picture of me. It's the yellow J.
When you come to the 21.
I don't know. I'm trying to make money.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Can we get some cash apps, y'all? 21. What's the new cash app? 21. Big one.
I think your phone is hot, 21. Why you skipping?
Man, they ain't skipping for me.
Hold on. They said no. Got no board?
That's their phone. You know, most of these people got cricket phones.
I think that's because I was getting my lighter, probably.
H-Wins. I did send her some money. Why you all in my pocket?
You didn't send me no money, boy.
Shut up, girl.
I need some money here.
I don't. What?
I need to get something to eat and some gas and my insurance. Do anybody have $100 they can just send me? No, I have $100. I'm trying to do something.
Right, what happened to Cat Eyes? Didn't she say she gonna give you $100?
Nobody know what we get no insurance.
Yeah, they want to see you get locked up. Y'all wrong for that.
Exactly. Y'all just want to talk about
Get him down. All right, if y'all want me to get down, press 1. Watch this.
Say Cash App, y'all.
There we go. There go the ones. I'm blocking every one I see. Every time I see a one, I'm gonna block them.
Miss Evie don't need to send me no money. She just sent me $1 million almost bees.
Cam up, fat boy. Can't. I got a bonnet on right now.
I'm about to go get some smoke spray out the store.
What's that?
Smoke spray? It's the odor spray to get the smoke go smell.
Oh, that ozone or whatever it's called?
Yeah, not the little one you got at the gas station, not blunt spray, the odor spray to get rid of smoke.
Why? You gonna be smoking in there every day? That ain't gonna work.
If the police pull me over, no, who did it? It's not gonna smell like smoke.
What's a BBM, 21? What's that?
BBL? Big.
Oh, she said HN1C is a handsome BBM.
Big, beautiful man.
Body man.
Big, black man. You a big black man.
Big black man. Okay. Thank you so much for that.
Anybody got any money for my taxes? I mean, for my stuff. Y'all just got y'all money. Come on.
Right, y'all send some money, man, please.
I need $100. Please.
Start crying. Maybe if you cry.
Please.
You got a cry on command? There we go. 21's crying, y'all. She need money. Oh, poor baby.
Oh, Daddy, you turning me on. I love when you moan like that. Call me baby. Anybody got any money?
Lauren said not him.
I don't know what's going on. It's like nobody got their taxes.
Lynette said you already ugly.
Did anybody give me $20 just to give me some gas or something? Gosh.
If someone send $50, I'll cam up.
Somebody said my car is an antique. $100 to get some gas. Last night, why you didn't bill out them? All my admins should have bill out their taxes. Admins, yeah. Have everybody filed their taxes?
They talking about here. One of them say here. Here. Talking about some here. Army.
I need remotely to send me $10 or something. You didn't get yours back yet. You need to go track your taxes right now. Hey, sister, I lost my phone, my charger, and my chicken. Can you call Big Cash or text him? Call him and ask him. You just paid a bill on care. I know you $1 for me to get some gas. It's only $3 for a pound of gas, right?
A pound of gas, yep. About $3.20.
$3.20
for a pound of gas.
How many pounds I need to fill up a car?
Like 14 pounds of gas. Maybe 15.
So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. So I need like a good $40-something.
40 something.
Gallon of gas.
Your car don't take gallons. It take pounds of gas.
I don't even know which one they take because he didn't say. It's like 3 different ones, ain't it? didn't even tell me which gas to put in here. He just gave me the car.
When you open the gas tank, it'll tell you.
Oh, okay. Somebody send me some money, please.
But by the look of the car, it definitely takes.
It's not no 87. It's a 2020, bitch.
Oh, she's saying not 87 like the year. She's saying take 87 octane, which is normal regular gas.
I'm gonna get regular gas. I'm put. I don't know which one I'm gonna
get. Somebody said it's diesel. Get a diesel.
Oh no! When I get to the gas station, I'm gonna have them tell me.
Diesel make your car go drive faster.
Oh, I might get that one. I don't want to go fast. Actually, I don't want to go fast. When I was driving, everybody kept beeping the horn and go around me. I'm going 40 miles an hour everywhere I go. I'm not losing my license.
You can get pulled over for driving too slow.
I mean, 40 miles an hour is not slow. That slow. It's about medium speed.
You drive with both hands?
Sometimes.
Good. You need to put your hands on 9 and 3 o'clock. 3 and 9. I need you to pay close attention with them big ass bug eyes and make sure you see everything going on.
Stop talking, bitch.
Oh, they said 10 and 2, my bad.
What's 10 and 2?
Can you let Miss Dog Paws up? Miss Money Dog Paws.
Baby, do not put no diesel in that car. It's regular gas.
Oh, y'all always want to come up here and say shit.
I got a big body Benz.
Right, you don't even know. Your head ass.
You hater, bitch.
How's that being hating? Because I'm trying to tell you.
You hating.
You don't want me. I can get any type of gas. They want to for it for me, bitch.
Mad because you got diesel.
I don't even know if I'm getting diesel yet. I need to go to the gas station and ask them what you want. I can get in here. I'm getting the best gas I can get, bitch. Because my supporters can afford it. I'm not even going to get the gas at 320, bitch. I'm getting the other gas that's more than 320.
Exactly. Thank you, Big Lumpy Red. What's that mean? Lumpy Red? What the fuck is that? What's my name? They said they like my rental.
Oh, you got a rental? I own my car, boy. You gotta own something.
I can't afford those.
You gotta own something.
21. Hey, how are you? Hi, 21.
Hey, girl. You skipping, ma'am. Your titty hanging out almost. Kiwan fan page, do you happen to have $50 or anything you could send me? 30, 20, 40, 50?
Somebody said you're rude, 21.
I'm not being rude. I'm just trying to work. $21 big one. I need to get insurance. I don't have no weed. All right, I'll check your coin purse, nigga.
Oh, I'm rude. I'm rude. What I do?
Yeah, he rude.
Look at Queen of Queens hating on your car. Hating ass.
Bitch, stop worrying about my car. I'm trying to get my insurance. This is not only a car, this is my house.
Right. The house on wheels.
And I need to get coverage. I'm sleeping in here.
Now,
I need to get coverage so I can sleep in here.
Why would you say that, Vibes?
I gotta sleep in here. I don't have no money for a hotel room. And I have to get me a cover. I have to get me a toilet thing. I have to get me some water.
Water,
And I have to get me some pillows. Thank you for my $10. I have to get me some panties, some food.
Oh, panties.
It's gonna be cold. What if somebody try to sneak in my car and take my coochie? At least I have layers on. I need some pajamas with the feet in it. I need some window covers. Yes.
Dog is back. She about to hate on you again.
How would I get insurance? How would I get insurance before getting the car?
Someone said you need a helmet. Oh, I ain't supposed to laugh. It ain't funny.
I know, but if I have window covers, it's gonna block the cold out. I need what?
We ain't show the car yet. We gonna unveil it once we get it wrapped pink, hot pink, with her name.
Oh yeah, I'm getting it pink. Thank you for my $20 Swan fan page.
Yeah, rich.
Yeah.
She.
No, my windows, they a little bit tinted, but I need to get what? Oh, you scared me, sir.
What was that? What do you want? He about his pussy. Why he came over there? What the fuck? Look at that door latch.
What a motherfucking door latch? What's wrong with my door latch?
That motherfucker from 1907.
No, it's not. Get down talking about my car.
No, okay.
Talk about my car one more time. And I got it.
I'm sorry.
21. Yes, got up here asking a question and y'all being all rude. I wasn't trying to be this.
No,
but check this out. I can walk upstairs in my house, walk outside to my insurance, and bitch, my pocket got money. Get that. Let's flash, bitch. Let's flash. I bet my car can make it Detroit right now. I bet I can make it without begging, bitch.
Damn.
I bet you can't come up here and show your face. I bet you can't make it just on your face, bitch. I bet you gotta go to somebody's place of employment.
Your face.
I